Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to divide a whole number by a unit fraction. A unit fraction is a fraction whose numerator is 1. For instance, 1 over 3 is a unit fraction because the numerator is 1. 1 over 10 is a unit fraction because the numerator is 1. Now, how do you divide whole numbers by a unit fraction? Let's look at this first question. The first thing you do is you write this 6 as a fraction. 6 is the same thing as 6 over 1. Okay? Then this division, you turn it to multiplication. Alright? And then you flip 1 over 2. When you flip 1 over 2, 2 will go up and become the numerator. 1 will come down and become the denominator. So you will have 2 over 1. Alright? Then you multiply the numerator that we have here. So you do 6 times 2, that gives you 12. You multiply the denominator, you do 1 times 1, that gives you 1. Then you divide. 12 divided by 1 is what? 12. That becomes the answer. Let's look at the next question. Now for this one, you have to write 7 as a fraction. You will agree with me that 7 is the same thing as 7 over 1. Then you turn this division into multiplication and you flip 1 over 3. When you flip 1 over 3, 3 will go up and become the numerator. Then 1 will come down and become the denominator. And then you multiply the numerators we have. You do 7 times 3, that gives you 21. Over, then you multiply the denominators, you do 1 times 1, that gives you 1. 21 divided by 1 will give you what? 21. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.